Sai Ram, children. Hope you enjoyed your holidays well. Summer vacations are over now and you enjoyed it. And I hope you all followed the guidelines of government to protect yourself from this pandemic disease that is coronavirus. So you have to protect yourself and I hope you followed these guidelines in your summer vacations also. Now, let's begin with our studies again. Okay? Now, holidays are over. Let's begin with our studies. So, today we are going to study again. We begin with today English grammar. Okay? So, in English grammar, we are going to start a new topic. First, I am giving you some hints. We have to guess that what it is. Okay, see here. What are the most used words in English grammar or English languages? In English language, what are the most commonly used words? Guess. I'm giving you some hints. See here, there are some examples. On behalf of these examples, let's find out which are these words. First one, I want to eat an orange. I want to eat an orange. Here is the word is A-N-N. The commonly used word is A-N-N. Similar in the second example. Next is the postman brings a letter. Here is the word which is commonly used, a. We can use a in mostly sentences. So, the commonly used word is a. Next is the TV is on. So, the is the commonly used word. So, we can use the anywhere, okay, in most sentences, not anywhere in a particular condition actually, but in many sentences. So, what are these words, a, n or the? Yes, these words a, n or the are articles. So, today we are going to start our chapter number 5, the magical words, which is articles. Articles are the magical words. That means they are mostly used in every sentences. So these are the magical words which are used in English languages very commonly. Okay, so I am giving you first the introduction. Okay, let's begin with our introduction. See here, how to use a or an before a given word. In this, we are going to study how we use a or n before any word. How the use of a or n be in any given word. Okay. Next is identify the use of a, n or the before a given word. It is not like that we can use a, n or the anywhere. No. There are some rules of using a, n or the. That means articles. There are some rules to use the articles. So I am going to show you how you have to use a, n or the before any given word. Okay. See here. Here are some examples. I am going to show you some examples now. You have to see where an or the is used. See, a comb. Here, a is used with the comb. Next is a toothbrush. A is used with the toothbrush. Now, an umbrella. Why we use n with the umbrella? Why we not use a with the umbrella? So, next is an alarm clock. Why we not use a with the alarm clock? Why we use n with the alarm clock? Next is a ball. A ball. Why we use a with the ball? Why we don't use n with the ball? So, the answer of these questions I am going to tell you. Okay. See here. There are total 26 letters in the English alphabets. Total letters in the English alphabets are 26. See here: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are total 26 letters. Total 26 letters. Okay. So, see here. Now, how to use A? First, we are seeing how we use A before any words. Here are from 26 letters, some are vowels. See here: A, E, I, O, U. See: A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And we use N only with these letters when any word starts with the A, E, I, O, U or the sound A, E, I, O, U. Only then we use N before these words. Okay. See here the definition. When a word starts with a vowel or vowel sound, that means A, E, I, O, U, we use N before these words. Only before these words we use N. Now let's come back to our examples which I shown you before. See here: a comb. A is used before C. Okay. Let's see. Before T we use A, but when it comes U, A, E, I, O, U, I told you U. When a word starts with the U, we use before N. N. Similarly, alarm clock. Okay, see here, alarm clock starts with the letter A, word A. So, we use N before alarm clock. Because it starts with the letter A and A is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now see ball. We use A before ball because it is not a vowel. B is not a vowel. So hope you understand how we use N. We use N only before the letters which is vowel. That means A, E, I, O, U. In the example what we had seen that umbrella starts from the letter U. We use N before it. Similarly, alarm clock starts with the letter A, which is a vowel. So we use N before this letter. Okay. Now see next how to use N. How we use N. Okay. We use N. See the remaining letters of the English alphabet. That means the letter which we had used, that means the vowels, only vowels is used with the N. Now the remaining letters in which vowels are not here, that means A is a vowel. So here A is not present. Only B, remaining letters. See, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are total 21 letters. The remaining 21 letters which are consonants. The letters which is not vowel are called consonants. The letters which is not vowels, which are not vowels, these letters are called consonants, and there are total 21 consonants. There are total 21 consonants. So here these letters are those in which vowels are not present. That means A, E, I, O, U are not here. Here present only 21 letters, which is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Only these letters are present here. These are total 21 letters. Okay. So, we use A. How we use A? When a word starts with a consonant or a consonant sound, we use A for that word. We use A for that word. Whenever any word starts with the consonant sound, for example, ball starts with the B. So we use A before these words, which starts with the consonant. The words which starts with the consonant, we use A before these words. See here some examples. Here are some examples. See, a pen. We use A before pan. Why? Because pen starts with the letter P. Pen starts with the letter P, and P is a consonant. P is a consonant. It is not A, E, I, O, U. P is not a vowel. P is a consonant. That is why we use A before pan, because pan starts with the letter P. That is a consonant. That is a consonant. Next letter is a comb. So comb starts with the letter C. Comb starts with the letter C. C is a consonant. It is not from the vowel. That means it is not A, E, I, O, U. Does C is a vowel? No. C does not comes in the vowels. So it is a consonant, and we always use A before the word starts with the letter of any consonant. So comb is a word that starts with the letter C, and C is a consonant. So that is why we use A before the comb. Similarly, a toothbrush. See, a toothbrush, in toothbrush, toothbrush starts with T, and T is a consonant. What is a T? T is a consonant. It is not a vowel. It does not come in the vowel, because vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and T does not comes in the vowel. So T is a consonant. So toothbrush starts with the letter T, and T is a consonant. And we use A before any consonant. So we use A toothbrush. We write a toothbrush. Okay. Next is ball. Ball starts with the letter B. Ball starts with the letter B, and B is a consonant. B is a consonant. So we use A. We use A before any consonant, and B is a consonant. The word ball starts with the consonant B, and we use A before any consonant. So this is the use of A, and that was the use of N. I told you the use of A and the use of N. How we use N? Where word starts with the vowel or the sound of vowel, that means A, E, I, O, U. So we can say it is we can write N before these words. And if a letter starts with the consonants, that means the words which are not vowels. So we use A before these words. These are the use of A and N. Hope it is very simple and it is clear to you very easily. Next is how to use the. Now, how will we use the? See here. The word the is used before nouns to refer to a particular person, place, or thing. Whenever we use to describe any person, place, or thing, we always use the before these words. Okay. Now, in the, there is no any rule of consonant or vowels or anything. Only with the particular person, place, or thing we use the before these words. Whenever we refer to a particular person, place, or thing, we use the before these words. Okay, I am going to show you example. It would be more clear to you then. See here. Rohan has to pack the red hat. Hat is a thing. Okay, so we use the red hat. Here we use the with the red hat that her aunt gave him. Rohan has to pack the red hat. Why we use the before red hat? Because red hat is a thing. So we use the before this. Okay. Similarly, in the next example, get the box. Get the box. So we use the here before the box because box is also a thing. So get the box. If I come to the example which I shown you before, which is the TV is on. Now it is clear. TV is a thing. TV is a thing. So we use the before TV. Is it clear now? These are those examples which I asked you in the beginning. So the TV is on. Why we use the here? Because TV is a thing. Similarly, next, the postman brings a letter. Here we use a because L is a consonant. L is a consonant. Okay. Next is I want to eat an orange. Here we use N because O. O is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. We use N here because O is an vowel. O is a vowel. So now I hope that you are clear with this, where we have to use a, n, or the. See here, let's take a quick revision. See how we use a or n before a given word. See here, we use a whenever a word starts with a consonant, and we use n whenever a word starts with a vowel, and we use the whenever we have to refer a particular person, place, or thing. So we use the there. Okay, so I hope you understand with this video the use of articles, that means a, n, or the. Now make it more clear. I am going to show you some more example in the next video and show you some more rules of a, n, or the in the next video. So stay well, stay healthy at your home, follow all the guidelines and protect yourself from this pandemic disease. Thank you so much.